In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate stickers inside CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a static sticker to life and make it feel intentional, polished, and on beat with your edit. First, open CapCut. Launch the editor and open the project you want to work on so you can see your timeline and preview window. Make sure you have a clip or background where the sticker will appear, and position your playhead roughly where you want the animation to start. This helps you see changes instantly as you apply them. Next, click Stickers and add one. You'll find a built-in library with categories and trending options, plus search if you have a specific style in mind. Click a sticker to add it to your timeline, then drag it to the exact moment you want it to appear. In the preview, resize and reposition the sticker so it sits naturally in the frame, corners for emphasis, near a subject for context, or centered for a bold look. Keep the sticker layer selected so you can adjust it easily. Now, go to the right panel. This panel shows the properties of whatever you have selected. If you don't see sticker options, click the sticker on your timeline again to highlight it. You'll use this panel to control how the sticker behaves. Click Animations. This reveals CapCut's animation options designed to bring movement to your sticker. You'll typically see categories that cover how the sticker comes in, behaves while visible, and exits. Think of these as your toolkit for adding energy and guiding the viewer's eye. Keep an eye on the preview window as you explore, so you can instantly gauge the feel of each option. Finally, choose an animation. Scroll through and preview different styles, pop, slide, bounce, fade, until one matches your project's tone. Click to apply it to the selected sticker. You'll usually see a duration control so you can fine-tune how fast or slow the motion feels. Shorter durations feel snappy and energetic, while longer ones feel smooth and cinematic. Play your timeline to review the result and nudge the start or end of the sticker layer to sync with beats or key moments in your footage. If you want a more complete motion, pair an entrance animation with a subtle exit so the sticker leaves the frame cleanly. That's it. Open CapCut, add your sticker, use the right panel, click Animations, and choose the effect that delivers the vibe you want. Experiment, trust your eyes, and keep things readable so your sticker enhances the story instead of distracting from it. Happy editing!